Hello viewers, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Forex demo account and link it to your MetaTrader 4. This video is for educational purpose only. We are not financial advisors. Trading Forex carries high risk of capital loss, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. To do exactly what I did in this video, you'll need to have created a broker account and installed MetaTrader 4. So, make sure to install MetaTrader 4 from your App Store or Play Store. The broker we're using is HFM. The link to create your HFM broker account is in the description of this video. So, let's get started. First, log into your HFM account. Click on the menu icon at the top of the page. Click on Trading Accounts. Then click on Open Demo Account. There are different types of demo accounts available here, but for the purpose of this video, we will choose the one that says Demo Premium. So I will tap on Demo Premium. Because we want to trade on MetaTrader 4, also known as MT4, I will choose Demo Premium MT4. I will leave the trading currency as USD and the leverage as 1 to 500. I will like to change the balance to 5,000. Any amount you choose here is what will be the starting balance of your demo account. Next, I will click on this checkbox to accept terms and conditions. You can go through the terms and conditions if you wish. I will scroll down and click on Open Demo Account. The demo account is created successfully and you can see the details of the new demo account displayed on the screen. The three details I need to connect this demo account and trade it on MT4 are login or trading account number, the trading account password and the server where the trading account is domiciled. I need to now copy these details to my MT4. The first one you must copy is the server. I click on this icon to copy the server. It says copied. I will now head over to MetaTrader 4. On MetaTrader 4, click on this menu icon. Next, click on Manage Accounts. Then click on this plus icon. You'll see two options. Click on the one that says Login to an existing account. This is where we will paste the server information we copied earlier. Tap on where it says Find Broker and paste the server we copied there. Confirm that the name of the server that appears is the same as the one we searched for. In my own case, the server is HF Markets SV Demo Server. Your own server name may be different. To proceed, click on the server name that appeared. Now, it's requesting for login and password. I will go back to my HFM account to copy those two. I will copy the trading account number, which is the same thing as login ID. After copying it, I will come back to MT4 and paste it where it is asking for login. I will go back and copy the password as well. After copying it, I will paste it in the password space. Next, make sure you tick this checkbox so you won't have to enter the password every time you open your MT4. Lastly, you click on Login. If everything is successful, you should see your name appear here and the amount in the account appear here. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your demo account. You can now start trading the different currency pairs on your MT4. Make sure to subscribe for more of our other videos on how to trade profitably.